Hello, my beloved Kathnatics. It's me again, Kathy, your Ilocana, Ilongga, Bisaya gal. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, it's a beautiful day here in Williams, Arizona. And right now, we are gonna go on a train ride to Grand Canyon. So we are here at the information and registration building. They have a lot of gift shops here. And then we just got our ticket because you have to be here 1 hour prior to boarding. So we got our tickets, first class, and it says here there's a Wild West show at 9 o'clock. We just have to go that way, and then it's like 15-minute show, and then we have to wait because the train will go there, and then yun na yung boarding natin, and then we'll have the whole day to explore Arizona, this part papuntang Grand Canyon, and then after that around 3:15, 3:30 we'll go back here, and I think we'll be back here mga I think almost 6, and then after that we're gonna drive back home to Las Vegas. So for the meantime, it's 8:21 a.m. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna look around here because all of them already had their souvenirs except me. So I'm kind of picky. I want the best of the best. So I'm trying to look for something here that I really love and that I really want to buy. Kaya ayun, from yesterday's gala, all the gift shops we went through, all of them, and wala pa akong nakita. Sobrang ganda. There's a lot of stuff there, and I kept saying I want to buy all of them, pero wala pa yung talagang. Si Bisayang Ilocana nga kasi is someone who always says, I need something that will call my name. Pero pag wala, di ko bibilhin. So, ayun. Kaya, let's look around here. Maybe we'll find something. And then, we'll wait for the show. Masyal na naman.
Masyal na naman kami.
You find something? Maganda?
No, I want to do this.
Yeah, it's out of order.
Why'd the cowboy get a wiener dog? All the other cowboys told him to get along, little doggy. What do you call a happy cowboy? A jolly rancher. A cowboy that retired? He reigns. Do y'all know that 6 out of 7 dwarves are not happy? Anybody feel like hanging around for a while? Yes, ladies, this is all natural hair. Hold that. Can't wait to live. And now witness a man multitasking. Back in.
they're checking the tickets now. So let's go. Yes. Thank you. Oh, hold Lola.
It's kind of a big step.
Yes, I'm good. Thank you. Thank you so much. Ooh, fancy.
We're there.
Alright guys, so we are here. Oh, they have more up there. Ayan. Beautiful train. First class. They have more people up there, which is nice. Ayan. So, still have more people coming in. There's more up there. Let's see what they have here. Meron silang refreshments. It's a nice place. Alright. Oh, this is yours? Oh, sorry.
They're not numbered.
Alright.
Okay.
Here's the gang right here. Let's go. Alright, let's take a seat.
We are going to be descending out of this big, beautiful ponderosa pine forest into, then out of, a juniper forest, and then we're going to cruise on some flat land, mostly grassland, and most of it is BLM land. That stands for Bureau of Land Management, and it is federal land, and that's where we're going to see most of the cattle grazing. And yep, they're grazing even here in the desert, although to do so, the cattlemen have to calculate approximately 100 acres per head of cattle. Isn't that crazy? And then we're going to begin our ascent. We're going to go back through a juniper forest and then back up into this same ponderosa pine forest. It is that big. At which point we will reach the canyon and we will be at 7,000 feet, and the air is even thinner up there. So again, I cannot stress enough how important it is to stay hydrated. Not just because of the elevation, but also because of the heat.
Aboard the Grand Canyon Railway, as we have departed the historic footage depot and the Grand Canyon Railway Hotel. For our 63 mile journey to the Grand Canyon, it is my pleasure to introduce the crew that be serving you today. My name is Bernie, I'm the conductor. Bringing me today is Greg, up front of locomotive.
We just started.
4128.
15
He
minutes.
is our engineer today, Kyle the fireman. Our onboard and passenger service supervisor today is Pete.
go, mile marker 57. Next, we're looking for train rail. Very close to the tracks. And there it is. Okay, next we're looking for barbed wire fence coming straight down the hill. And there it is. Notice where the road is because the rock's going to be just on the other side of it. Next we're looking for the section house, and there it is. Now, crumpled metal followed by flat metal, and then star rock. There's the crumpled metal. There's the flat metal. Okay, star rock, just on the other side of the road. There it is. Hopefully everybody can see it. A whole lower right-hand quarter just exploded out. Anywhere on this property. There's also a, oh, yep, there they are. Okay, so once we passed the edge of their property, we will officially be in the Grand Canyon National Park. We are there now. Woohoo, we made it.
Okay, so we made it. We are here at the depot here at Grand Canyon. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna wait for the beautiful lady to take us at to the heart-shaped rock. Yun. Meron siya sinabi na story about that one. It was actually a good love story. And we want to check that out. We're gonna take pictures. Yes. So, it's already 11:50 and we're here until 3 o'clock. So we have at least 3 hours to explore this place. And then magbo-board tayo. We have to be back here by around 3 o'clock just to be sure. So if you're here, you have to manage your own time. If you want to explore, you want to go to different places here. We have the trail, the map, and so you just have to make sure na makakabalik ka dito by 3 o'clock or else they're gonna leave you behind. What else do we have here? So of course, pupunta tayo doon sa rim. Tingnan natin doon. There's one here that says Alto Bar Hotel. I want to show you. It's pretty cool. It's actually this building up here. Yan. Ganda. Looks like a old mansion, old cabin. Anyway, it's a hotel. And then we didn't book for the tour. Grand Canyon tour. I think there's multiple tours here, but that's okay. We're just gonna be on our own, and then lakad-lakad lang ng konti kasi kasama namin si mother. Hindi naman kami pwedeng mag-hike. And mayroon akong zipper. Yun. We're just repacking our stuff. May mga dala kami mga snacks and super dry ng lips ko kasi sabi nila this is really elevated, so you're really gonna get dehydrated even though it's not hot. So talagang inano nila, pinipressure nila, pinupush nila yung mga tao na uminom ng maraming tubig dito, which I know why. Talagang nagcha-chap yung lips ko. And then restrooms, they do have a restroom, but they told us that if you're gonna go to the restroom, do it while we're in the train kasi maraming turista dito, maraming tao, the lines will be long and parang hindi worth it na magpila ka, you spend most of those time there para lang magbanyo. So yun, ayan, we'll wait for everybody and then let's explore.
Now, are all you coming back with me this afternoon?
Yep.
Beautiful.
We hope that we make it back anyway.
Well, me too, because that's going to be expensive if you don't.
This is the Angel Trailhead. Is that where you said to go?
Right, Angel.
Alright, so we are here at Grand Canyon. Ang ganda ng view. And yes,
I thought it's in there.
ano, is that there? So, ito yung heart shape. Yan. So, merong architect na in love sa isang babae. Tapos, parang na ano yata siya, na destino siya sa ibang area. Hindi niya madala yung babae kasi nakakontrata dito. So, ang ginawa niya para ma-remember daw siya nung lalaki is ng babae, ma-remember siya nung babae. Ginawa niya yung heart. Tapos, yung hotel room ni girl, doon, pinakatuktok. Doon, yun, yan. Para pag, every time na nakabukas, dumudungaw siya, nakikita niya yung heart. Which is, doon. Diba? Napaka-sweet. Pinakatuktok, yung bukas na bintana, that's her hotel room. So, she can see it here every day. Diba? Napaka-sweet. And then,
There's a condor.
there's a condor. Is it?
Crow.
No, crow is small. That's the studio over there. Dun
Studio
yung... It's called a studio.
Ito.
Photo studio or something.
Ito.
Bird flying in the air right in front of us.
I want to take a picture, man. Go without me.
You guys want to walk down? Let's go down.
There's more down there.
Thank you. We can do both of them.
Let's go back inside. They have a gift shop. There's more up there, more overlooking area. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, I love the sound of that. Ayan. So, where's Lola? Oh, they're there. So that's the lookout studio and gift shop. And then there's more down there. The whole studio, art gallery. But I'm not sure if we're gonna go there. Kasi pagod na si Mother Dear. Ganda ng view. Ayun na. Oh. Oh wow, yeah. There's two dark clouds in one big cloud. Where do you want to go, babe? You want? Can I?
You want to go there? We're gonna wait for you then.
Okay. Alright, let's go to the historical studio. If we can find it. Oh, that's the rim trail. And then all of it down here. Oof. Have to be very careful here. The elevation is making you feel a little dizzy. Kaya stay away from the edge. And kung hindi ka stable, dito ka sa gilid. At dapat makauwi tayo ng buo. 9 to 5. So we are here at the Kolb Studio bookstore. And we'll just check the place out. Tignan natin kung anong meron. Free exhibit. Okay. These are the Kolb brothers. Okay. See if we can get in. Oh, wow. Beautiful, beautiful. The hearts.
One of those standards pinned them under the boat through that entire rapids. It was so cold when we got that boat up routed. Very short time, all the stuff
Yan yung video nila before.
got wet.
video camera, and that's what they got.
Held by its own rope, dragging in about 30 feet of water. In that boat was everything intact.
That's the film show.
They had our book as the guide there to lay high and dry, and they got
1915. Yung video na yan. Wow.
I know where Dada is. Dada told me where he was going.
Doon na kami maghintay sa ano, baba.
Oh, sa baba na sa...
Sa depo.
Look at the ceiling. Is that the ceiling, babe?
Oh, this one.
What's that?
This one, no. Soft. So check how much. Para meron ka.
How much? Oh, we are gonna go back. Where's that car going? Where are you going? I think it's okay. Oh, this way. Alright, so we went in there. It's called the Hoppy House. You have to duck when you go inside because they have a very small door. But inside it's very nice and unique. And we got a Sherpa blanket because it's cold and windy. Where are we going? Oh, this way. Windy. Look at this trees.
Good thing I PP there because look. Long.
What the?
gonna board back. And we have a pretty long walk going to our cart. And so that ends our Grand Canyon tour. We're gonna go back to Williams, Arizona, and then we're gonna drive back to Las Vegas. My phone's gonna die, pero nakasurvive siya for the whole day na tour natin. So ayun, let's head home. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please follow me on Instagram. It's Bisayang Ilocana Official. Together with my Facebook page is also Bisayang Ilocana. Again, this has been Kathy, your Ilocana Ilongga Bisaya gal. Always saying, don't let anyone turn you away from your purpose and always live life for what it's worth. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!
We need to hold him out. We need to get just like that. So anyone else? Yes, ma'am. I'll take that much obliged. Good job. Okay. Anyone else?
I know what I have to do with you then, so
about your watch right there. No, not this watch. Oh, yes, we got one right there. Good job. I see you. It's all settled in. We're all good. We're all good. Okay. You didn't see us? All right. Good.
Yes. Hindi na nga siya si Bob.
Put your hands down, kid. We all need to breathe in here.
Hey, Bob.
We didn't see you, but we got
Put your
proof.
hands down.
Well,
I don't need to smell what deodorant y'all put on. By the way,
ow.